happy Sunday, everybody. We're here at the Minneapolis Convention Center. We have Command Central set up. My client concierge, Holly, is running logistics here. We have the Idea House behind us. This house was built in a matter of days this week. And today, Sunday, me and about half my company, we're going to paint this entire thing. We've just started, and I'm going to walk you through real quick. So you can see it's a flurry of activity. Mainly landscapers are here working today. They got a lot of stuff to get done. I'm going to try to walk through without stepping on anybody's stuff here. So we'll take you through the house here. House behind us, you can see siders working here. We got landscapers working here. Flurry of activity. So through this door is master suite. We have master closet, master bath, another bedroom down the hallway. You can see through here, master bedroom. This one's going to be an accent wall right here. Master closet right in here. Master bath, which they have been nice enough to not put everything in for us. Another bedroom right through here. It's a really cool house. EPS, the construction company, does SIP construction, structurally insulated panels, and they basically deliver this whole house on a truck, put it together in like, a matter of hours. So it's an amazing thing to see. We have bathroom here. We have a little vestibule right here. You can see we're taking shellac primer. We're going over all the little bits and pieces of plywood stuff. So, when they mark plywood, you can see all the black marks and stuff. We cover those up because we found out last year those bleed through paint, so we had to quick reprime. Not a big issue though. We're plowing through here. You can see them going. But we have kitchen back there, hearth. We're gonna do a little bit on the ceiling right here. It's gonna be a fun project, guys. So I'll give you updates throughout the day here, but this is gonna be a fun one, guys. We'll see you later.